Welcome to our channel dedicated to English language learners. Whether you're just starting your journey into the English language or looking to brush up on your skills, you've come to the right place. Our goal is to provide engaging and accessible content designed specifically for beginners, making the learning process both enjoyable and effective. From basic grammar and vocabulary to useful phrases and meaningful conversations, we're here to support you every step of the way on your path to fluency. So, let's dive in and explore the world of English together. Additionally, tune into our podcast series, where we delve deeper into various topics related to English learning. Each episode is crafted with beginners in mind, offering valuable insights. Furthermore, don't miss out on our captivating English documentary series, specially curated to enrich your language learning journey.